Hello friend, this video for the screen recorder, the free screen recording software for Windows. Okay, so and this is a OBS project.com. So you will put this URL. Okay, I will provide you this URL in description. This is a free software you may download for Windows, Mac and Linux. Just download installer. I have already installed this application, so just let me open that. OBS Studio. Okay, so this is OBS Studio. So how to create here the video I will explain you. Okay, so nothing is here, just simple steps. First go in a setting. Okay, in output setting you need to set this setting. Okay, the recording quality, recording format. Okay, the by default leave this all. Okay, in audio no need for something, in video no need for something change. Okay, you need to choose high quality resolutions. In a hotkey you may assign hotkeys for the start recording, stop recording, pause recording and unpause recording. Okay, these are main. Okay, so after then just save it. Okay, and now this is a scene you need to create any new. After then you need to create the source. Okay, so if you want to record screen you need to choose the display capture. Okay, otherwise if you need to audio and browser any other thing you may choose that. Okay, as per your need, but by default if you use for recording, screen recording, you need to choose display capture. Okay, I have already created one display capture. Okay, if you want you may create the new display capture and okay, display capture will be created. Okay, so after creating that will comes here. Okay, now I have stopped the screen. Okay, so this is nothing. Okay, this clock should be open and I should be open. After then you need to start from here. Okay, just start recording your screen. Okay, so after then stop it. So you will find your recorded video from here. Show recording. Your recording is here. Okay, so like this way you may use the OBS. It's a free of cost, very good, very usable application. Okay, so thanks for watching.